Hello, I'm Richard Hooper and this is SAT TV Week. Now I'm here in London. I'm pleased to be joined by Giles Peeters from Track24. Now Giles, tell me a little bit more about Track24.
Okay, Track24 was formed in 2004. Really they saw a gap in the market where we had reconstruction teams operating in Iraq, Afghanistan, basically civilian teams without any security systems of any sort. So we brought out our new solutions, which was to track and message people. Back in 2004, it was all very primitive stuff on GPRS. Over the years and since, we've taken that a step further. We now very much do satellite. We have over 100 clients in those regions.
Now, you've got one particular solution, the Titan. Can you tell me a little bit more about that?
Yeah, first of all, again, we saw from the security tracking and risk management sector that we specialized in, we saw the gap in the market for actual defense capability and very much beyond line of sight capability where people are operating in vast areas, needed security, needed something quick and interoperable. And very much the situational command and control solutions that we introduce now is fulfilling those gaps. So we developed what we already had on the technology and the success of the security markets, and we brought out a system called Situational Command and Control Titan. This system really has three components. Main component being the headquarter component, where commanders can see everything that's going on out at the front line. So GPS messaging, chat messaging is all coming into the command point of view. We offer a very new capability which is SEC tactical, and that means the guys in the vehicles, aircraft, ships, or even the forward operating bases also have the capability right at the very front line to see where all the assets and what everyone is doing, and two-way messaging. And then we have a low-cost version, which is a secure satellite mobile version, where they can send their position reports, emergency panic alerting, and two-way messaging.
Now your solutions are used in more than one sector. Can you tell me what other sectors you're involved in?
Yeah, the Blue Force tracking sector is our main sector. We're seeing out in the environment today, in this military environment, we're seeing more interoperability with NATO forces. We're seeing different technologies that people are trying to work with. And so they are trying to find out where their assets are to reduce friendly force instances. This is a large market for us and our primary market. And very much we provide to NATO countries in that market. Homeland security, South America, for instance, Asian Pacific and Africa, where they've got very vast areas to cover, where they need to know where their people are, they need to have their people that can send messages to each other back to the headquarters, and especially where they can do emergency messaging back. All our systems on an emergency, by pressing an emergency button, latency is under 1 minute, usually 30 seconds. People in these sort of countries have no technology that can provide that capability. Radio technology is 20 kilometers away. This technology will work anywhere in the world.
Now you mentioned Africa and Asia Pac. What particular regions of the world are proving most, demanding for your products?
Probably our biggest customer base now is in South America, where we talk about Africa and the Asian markets. I think they're a bit newer. The South American markets are the ones that are proving most interesting. And we're starting to see people using this technology, not just, we've talked about Blue Force tracking, homeland security. We're also seeing them using our technology to integrate into their existing systems. So for South America, who've already got radio networks and voice, they're integrating our technology to provide what we call battlefield management systems that the Americans, the UK would normally have. The real challenge is satellite technology is still relatively new to these people, and then it's also to integrate this technology into their existing technology. But that's a challenge and very much an opportunity for us that we see, because we're very, very used to doing this already in the Middle East.
Now, how do you see the company evolving over the next 24 months? Are there new technologies coming in? Is the battlefield demand going to change?
We've finished a lot of our technical upgrades and updates right now. We believe what's going to happen with technology, asset tracking or tracking people and vehicles and so forth has been really done in a limited way, we feel. So for instance, a convoy route tracking, if you like, still today people are saying, well, we'll track the first vehicle, the last vehicle and the middle vehicle. Track 24 believe that cost is coming down all the time. We believe everything should be tracked. We believe every person should be tracked, every vehicle, every aircraft, every ship, and all those assets should be interoperable as well. So we see actually that the market is going to expand and be fantastic for us.
Giles, thank you very much.
Thank you very much.